That's nice, okay. Yeah, this is multi-camera orchestration. This is quite new solution from the Canon. Like a concept is, let's say, full automation of the multi-number of the PTZ camera in the system at once. So this is a system. We have the two PTZ camera we call bird eye. So these two bird eye camera is kind of the eye for the system, and monitoring the whole stage area always, and learning the analytics of the detection of the each target position and size and movement. So thanks to that information, based on that information, these all PTZ camera are automatically controlled. And the automatic control is based on the assigned load from the system. We can assign the load to the each camera. For example, this camera shoot this guy, this camera shoot a more wide shot, this camera shoot more like this separately, two person or something like that. So, and we can make all of the load from this user interface, like how big you should take this target or something like that. And we can create some of the load set to switch the all load of the camera of the each. And I already created for the load set to match the demo scenario. So let me start. Now I'm assigning the load to the shoot, the old camera to the each separate person. But when I change the load, for example, like one camera should take the wide angle. This looks like a 3-man talk show style. So like a ghost. So this is not working well, but should be. So, and for example, changing the target during the show, and going to the old camera to the one person, for example, interviewer or something. So we can switch it's quite easily, and you can focus to the more direction things. So, and also you can change and control the like a composition and size. If you change the load, for example, you take the head shot, bust shot, or body shot, you can control easily. Also, you can control, it's not working very well, so please ignore that. So you want to control the head space, for example, like you need a head space to put some of the the character or message on the here. So yeah, you can change, and you can make some side space to much better composition. You can make the side space like a good balance or something like that. So this is one scenario. So this is completely supporting too for the one-man operation. If you are the one-man operator, you need to do this kind of a production, but only you. So you don't have a time to control the frequency of the camera. So you need to focus on the more direction, and then you need to take care about the cut and the composition, right? So, but this application is covering and supporting you for the one-man operation. The another scenario is if you want to go to the manual operation in the main camera. For example, now I'm changing the load, and this number one camera is now manual control mode. When you move this camera to the another guy, so the system is automatically recover and change the target like that. So it's also depend on the load. So of course I change the main camera's target, then change the target to the recover. So if you assign the old camera need to follow the main camera's movement, it's also possible. Like taking always this guys by the 3 cameras or something. And also if you're changing the zoom lenses, like a size, the cameras follow. Another cameras follow as well. And the key feature is like a recovery function. So when you using auto tracking inside of the camera, the target object, when target object is lost from the viewing angle, that auto tracking is stopped. And you need to restart, or you need to find another target or something. But this application, thanks to this system of this analytics, so when target is lost during the production, then the system tries to recover that camera goes to this target. So let me try to. Ready? Can I ask you to stand up? So when lost, but the under when like that. So even that position there, yes. Yes, thank you so much. When the camera lost the target once, but this system is monitoring the full area and position of the data. So a system try to recover. This is kind of the guarantee or insurance of the all tracking. Yeah, it takes time a little bit, but once lost, even moving like that, and go out from the angle, it's recovered, and the angle will be secure. So that's the concept and the 3 key features of this system. So yeah, that's pretty much the all. So that you can do the better one-man operation with this system. So to support you. So that's all. Thank you so much. Okay.